Day one, just showed up to the lodge. So day one, just got here. Showers, 2 bathrooms. Here's the view. And a couple bedrooms. Told we have low water at the moment. Normally it's all the way up here to the stairs. Nice 5 or 6 hour boat ride up from the landing strip. Just walking around the camp, taking a look at some stuff. Just getting here, so this is a first for me. Nice and hot. It's got to be around 90, 95 degrees. Very light wind. Generator back there, supplying power. Today's Sunday. The date I do not recall, but it's looking to be real nice. We start fishing tomorrow. Travel here sucked. Multiple flights from Utah to Miami to Georgetown, stay in Georgetown, and then a bush plane out of Georgetown to a literal field, and then at least a 4 or 5 hour boat ride up. How was the ride?
Thanks, sir.
Cool. Here, fishy, fishy. Hooked him. Bye, fishy. We got a piranha. Nice. Very nice. Bye, fish. Yes. Fishy. Sorry about your fin, buddy. Yeah, that's the big one today. Probably not the biggest hooked, but gone. Little peacock. Ta-da! Hold that.
That's the butterfly.
All right, bye, fish. Little fishy. What is that?
That's the foot that we're talking about.
Oh, nice. A little silverfish.
Yeah, that is silverfish.
Little silverfish. Nice. Taco!
Taco for dinner.
Taco tacos. How big that is. Yeah. Night night, fishy. We're gonna eat you tonight. Good, nice swim. All right, jump it. Yeah. Yeah.
Feel.
Bare minimum effort into that one. Nice. All right. Waterfalls. The pacu fish. All right. So basically, end of day one. Here we are. Boating away. Following those guys. Fishing was pretty good. Didn't catch a ton, but got one or two of each species almost. Probably until tomorrow. Peace. See that dot right there? Yeah, that's a crocodile. Cayman. See how close it'll let us. It's kind of hard to see, but he's there. I'd say somewhere right there. Cayman. Hi.
Wild pigs, maybe yesterday.
Wild pigs. Wild pigs, maybe? Walking through the jungle. Doot, 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 doot. Two for one. One hook, two fish. Back in the jungle. There, down there. All right, where's Bigfoot? It's gotta be in here somewhere. If he was able to get down that afterwards, I'd be shocked. No, wait, dude. Got him, I think. Look at that. All right, bye, little guy. It's not nice. You oversized lizard. Oh, thinking they got off, and then there they are. Oh, got him, no, stop. Oh. Yep.
That's a big one. Try to set your hook forward.
Pardon? Oh, listen to that. Oh, I think he got off though. Oh. Cast where that alligator is. Just found a pond of them. Man, that thing was ripping dry. Monkeys. Maybe 4 or 5 of them. Fishy. A little bit. Look. Didn't realize he was gonna stack them again. Boom. Oh yeah. Dude, they don't care. Come on, pack. Let's go. Oop, that was a little tug. Watch your face. Watch your face. Oh, piranha. Man, that's a... Look, that thing's like half his size. That got him to stop pretty quick. Wow. One more big one. There he is. Right there? Okay. Oh, we're gonna keep it on. Yeah, get him out of here.
Don't get no slack. Come on, you need to see.
It's right back where we started.
Yep. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Ooh, monster. Slack? Okay. Get in there.
Decent arapaima. First arapaima.
Picture, let me just. Oop. Watch your feet.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Go fish.
Dry too.
Hopefully you got that. At least one bigger one would be cool. Not gonna lie.
They're gonna be on the like. Water stingray.
I caught a stingray. Pliers are right there still.
There you could put on the tail.
Aha! Oh, I got a stingray. That's what's up. Yep. Good rainstorm. Real. All right, big. Please, more. It felt way tougher. I got the GoPro going. Hold on. Gotta get your. Go. Oh, we're kind of clean.